For our first day of the new year, Daphne and I head up Little Cottonwood Canyon to Alta, where it finally is starting to look like winter.
I'm gonna follow you.
Okay. All right. Okay, we're gonna go somewhere around here. Maybe these trees right here.
Well, this is pretty steep.
You want to do this?
Okay.
Yeah, let's do this. You ready?
And like cut over to there, or?
Yeah, and you can do the trail where it's less tree-like.
Okay.
Sound good?
You're just so good. Ah. Ah. Ah.
That was good through there.
Was it? Ah.
Yeah.
It is very powdery.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
Oh, I see ya.
Yeah, I'm gonna stay down through here.
Alright, I might stick to the trail, but by the trees.
Okay. That's a good idea.
Ooh, it's a little thin covery though.
Look at you killing it.
Thank you. I'm trying to not eat shit.
Okay, now you just send it straight down the rest of it.
Oh, straight down. I don't know about that.
The lighting's pretty flat too, which doesn't make it too easy.
Yeah. Whew. Okay. Oh, my legs. Oh, I see you. Woo. Ah! Ah! Ah!
Okay, I'm gonna go through these trees, but if you want, you can stay out here.
Okay.
Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
Should I try the tree? No, I don't know. Scary. Ooh, it's hard to see.
Hey there.
Hey there. Oh God, okay. Are you going that way?
Yeah, I'll meet you down there again.
Okay.
Sound good?
Yeah. I'm going.
You gotta stop down there and watch me?
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't know where it comes out from.
Think about where you are.
Oh, okay, I see ya.
Alright.
tree skiing.
I'm thinking over here instead this time.
Back to over where?
When you know the spot that you didn't really like? Before you get there, go left.
Oh, I am not left.
Oh, you're right. Okay. Come left. Keep coming left. This is easier, I think. Yeah.
Oh.
See? Isn't that easier, don't you think? Look at that.
Man, you just cruised. Ah. Oh, I'm just nervous.
Oh, I didn't even buckle my boots. Okay, this way.
Can't see.
Cool. Are there rocks over there? To your right right now?
Yeah, there are rocks.
Huh. Oops. Oh yeah, a lot of rocks. Okay. Let's do it. man, you're keeping right up with me.
Yep. Oh, Jesus.
Pretty flat, right? Can't really see the bump.